Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Welcome once again to the 2 minutes trade. So if you are wondering what is this 2 minute trade, just please watch all my strategies. All my strategies are just for 2 minutes. If you are under the misunderstanding or if people have misguided you that trading requires a lot of time, if they have been telling you that you have to sit in front of the computer for a long time, if it is a lot of difficult task in identifying the trends using the technical indicators and all this kind of misunderstanding, please remove it out of your mind, friends. Trading is very simple and it does not require much time. It can be done by any working people, any business person, whoever does not have time. Even if you are a newbie, even if you are beginner, you can do trading provided you know the rules of the game. Okay friends, so let us see today's live trading video in the commodity segment. So based on public demand, I recorded the commodity and the equity live trading video of this weekend, and also the performance results, how to place the trade, how to enter, how to exit, all those details I have recorded. So stay tuned till end of the video. And people who are watching the video for the first time, don't forget to press the subscribe button and also the bell button. You'll be getting lots of videos on commodities as well as equities. This is my channel Angel Trading Friend, and any doubts, any clarification, any assistance required, then you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. So let us go to today's live trading video, which I had recorded at morning 10 o'clock. Yeah. So 10 o'clock, the open price was 4,803 crude. So I just have to enter the open price 4,803 in my Excel, and I have made this formula sheet where automatically the buy price and the sell price comes. So the buy price is 4,826. Yeah, so let me just, this is the stock call which is completed for today. I have to go to crude calls. Yeah. So crude buy today at 4826. I'll just keep us rounded off to 4827, and the sell price is 4779. This is the sell price. Okay, so the sell level for today is 4779, and obviously the target and stop loss will be 15. Okay, so I have updated this in the group. Now it is time for me also to place a trade. Okay, so I am trading with higher lots. So others who are trading as per money management, you can follow with single lot. Keep an OC order and stop loss limit order. These two are very important. And buy price and the trigger price, there must be a small difference. I am keeping 16 and 14 so that since I am trading with huge lots, there is a lot of brokerages, so I am just keeping this. But I am not recommending to others. Only until and after you have experience, you can do that. Okay, now for the sell side, again 16 lots. Keep OC order and stop loss limit order 4779. Let me just check. Yes, 4779, and the sell price is 4778, and as always 16 target and 14 stop loss. So you can see that both orders are trigger pending, so I don't have to look into the screen again and again. Once if the targets are done, I just have to come and square it off. There's nothing else to be done. So you saw me placing the trade, friends. It was as simple as that, very simple. So now let us see the result. End of the day, 820. You can see that crude oil has achieved its target. It has crossed our target and has gone till 4866. Our targets have been hit very easily, so I just don't have to look into the screen again. You can just see order history. Yes, my stop losses, you can see that cancelled. Yeah, whereas the targets of 4844 has been achieved. Okay, so let me just see the portfolio. Where is crude? Yeah, crude, you can see 23,600. Target has been achieved, and today's MTM is 32,000. We had profits in nickel also. We had profit in natural gas. We had profit in copper. Today equity call Wipro also was profitable. Silver also was profitable. So today being a very good day, almost everything was profit. Silver, copper, nickel, natural gas, bank nifty. We just had an hedging, so it was not that. Stocks, equity also was profit. Crude oil also was profit. So today we are closing off with 32,564. Better than not the worst. So this is how we do trading, friends, and very simple. You just saw me morning 10 o'clock, within 2 minutes I place the trade, and then evening whenever you're free you just have to look into the screen, and the order, target, stop loss, everything is taken automatically. We don't have to place it manually. Unlike Zerodha, what happens is that in Zerodha you have to place an order for entry, one order for target, one entry for stop loss, and also you have to keep waiting when the trade gets triggered. Whereas in Upstock you get notifications immediately when a trade is triggered. So there is a lot of advantage of Upstock when it compared to Zerodha, and that is why I'm using Upstock from quite some time. In case if you want to join Upstock, you can use the link which I provided in the video description of the video, and you will also get 50% discount on my open trade services. Open trade services available in morning commodity in crude, as I showed you today, available in natural gas in evening for working people, and also in stocks at 9:15 morning. So if you want to avail this for services at a 50% discount, then you can make use of this facility. Okay, friends, any other doubts, any confusion, just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. Happy weekend, enjoy, thank you.